Welcome back to the channel. I'll be doing a POV video. First, gotta go get that gas. I'm running low. God damn, shit low. Can't even fit a piece of paper down there. Ugly ass carbon. Wonder who made that shit. If you know, you know. Yep, just keep taking my money, keep on taking it. Still not done taking my money. Say it'll stop at 76. I'm surprised. $1. got out of the gas station. 346 mile range. By the time I get home, that shit gonna be like at 330, 310, I bet. Shit kills gas like it's nothing, drinks it. No way having an Eco don't do shit. Don't do shit for these cars. No quema good. Too much traffic. Smell like booty right here. Holy shit. It's like a sewer, whatever the hell it's called right here. It just always smells like booty hole right here. God damn. We got a no quema good. You don't want to smoke. Left the gas station, we were at 340 mile range, and after a 55-minute drive, traffic here and there, now we're sitting at 315. Not too bad considering it's a V8, but by tomorrow this car will be at 240, 220. Literally have to fill up every 2 days, so if you're considering buying an RT, even though it's the base model V8 of the Dodge Chargers, so look forward to that when buying an RT. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, hit that sub button, like the video, and don't forget to comment. And guys, it doesn't take much to subscribe, so come on now, let's hit that red button. It's not gonna shock you, it's not gonna hurt you in any way. It takes less than a second just to tap that subscribe button. So come on, let's get this channel growing. Hit that sub. Till the next one. Later.